Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2012 Chevy Equinox and I will show you how to remove and replace the ceiling reading light bulbs. This video will apply to Chevy Equinoxes made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. Okay, so to replace the light bulbs, first you'll have to pop out this plastic U-shaped cover which is on top of the bulbs. So what you want to use, something like this, a plastic trim remover. That way you won't make any damage or scratches to the cover or to the plastic around it. If you don't have these tools, you can use a flat screwdriver or anything similar, but in that case be careful not to make any scratches. Okay, so I've turned the flash on my phone so you can see it better. So I want to start up here. You'll have like a small plastic pin on both sides which has to pop out. So just want to pry it gently here and try to get it out. Okay, just like this, you see. And once you've done this side, you do the same on the other side as well. Okay, once you have those top pins out, you'll want to do the same here on the sides. You'll have one pin here and one just here on the other side. Now mine here partially popped out here already, but you want to do the same thing, you see. There's a pin here, and now do this other side as well. Okay, once both of these sides are out, you'll still have two pins on the bottom, but these just pull out. So altogether you'll have two pins here on the top, two on the sides and two on the bottom. And once you have it off, you have full access to the light bulbs. Okay, now to remove the light bulb, you just want to grab it with your fingers and pull it straight out. And this is the light bulb. It's 194 or 2225 small bulb. And that's it. Once you're installing the new bulb, just push it back in and install the cover, and that's everything. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.